go for it.
You're an animal, Joe.
Let's do this thing.
So what'd you do?
Here, I'll show. I'll hop out here and show you kids. So, if you want to get back here, it was 1010 on the pole standard with all of the business.
Whoa.
Wow. Wait, what?
1,000 rear wheel horsepower.
1,000 rear wheel horsepower and 850 pound-feet of torque with Gen 3.
Stock Coyote long block.
We never
Stock.
thought this car would make this much power.
And it did.
We
It proved us wrong. Stock short block for the win. Or stock long block for that matter. No cams or anything.
Yeah.
Stock valve springs.
People aren't going to believe we made this much power.
No, they're not going to.
It's
But-
insane.
I'm going to show you guys the car, and Joe's going to show you the dyno graphs, and we're going to show you how we got there. So you just saw this car make over 1,000 rear wheel horsepower. We're just as blown away as you are. This car does not have a ton of stuff done to it. It's actually a show car that we built for SEMA 2 years ago. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that's done to it because it's not a complicated combination. It's a stock Coyote engine with our VMP Gen3 supercharger and some other upgrades. I'll get into that in a second. It has a stock MT82 transmission, upgraded of course with a Mantic clutch, a stock dry shaft, G-force axles, 331 gears. Under the hood, we've been testing our new VMP Gen3 supercharger and our 173 millimeter throttle body. And it's got a regular JLT 120 millimeter cold air. When we started our initial testing on the Gen 3, we used a really big pulley and the car just kept on making more power. So once we got to about 860, we knew we had to go for that magic 1,000 rear wheel horsepower mark, and we got it. Joe's going to show you guys the dyno graphs so you can see how we got to over 1,000 rear wheel horsepower on a stock Coyote.
Hey guys, it's Joe with VMP. We just got done making 1,000 rear wheel horsepower with our stock 2017 Mustang GT with the addition of our Gen 3 supercharger kit. We started off with an 85 millimeter pulley on 93 octane. Obviously not something I'd recommend based on the amount of power it made, but the car made 752 rear wheel horsepower, 632 pound-feet. Very aggressive for 93, but just so that we could get data points on what it did on 93 with our largest pulley that we currently offer, we did that. After that point, we switched the car over to C16 just to get the octane we needed for the amount of power we were looking to make. We began going down in pulley size incrementally until we finally got down to a 63 millimeter pulley with our 5% lower. That combination yielded 1,020 and 849 rear wheel torque. And now that I've kind of explained everything for you guys, we'll go ahead and show you the video and the dyno graphs leading up to the 1,000 horsepower pull.